Supermarkets are like big traps.
Wait, traps? Like catching animals?
No, traps for your money. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas. Wait, money traps? Are we talking about shopping?
Yes, shopping for food at the supermarket.
I hate going to the supermarket. It is too big.
Exactly. It is too big. And for like English learners, it is very hard.
Yeah, because you cannot find the milk. Where is the milk?
Right. The milk is always at the back, far away.
Why? I just want milk.
Because they want you to walk. Walk a lot, look at everything.
Oh, wow. So I see the cookies and I buy the cookies.
Yes, you want milk, but you buy cookies. It is bad.
That is mean. Very mean.
Yeah, it is. But today, we will help you. We will teach you how to survive the supermarket.
Survive? Okay. What do we do first?
First, you walk in the door. You need a thing to hold your food.
A bag?
No, before the bag. To carry food inside the store.
Oh, the car? The small car you push?
Not a car, Lucas. A cart. C-A-R-T. Shopping cart.
Right. Cart, like Mario Kart.
Yes, literally like Mario Kart, but with food.
Okay, I have my cart. Vroom, vroom. What if I only want like one apple?
Good question. Then you take a basket.
Basket. You hold it in your hand.
Exactly. Basket is for hands. Cart is for pushing.
I always take a basket because I think, oh, I just need milk.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And then I buy cookies, chips, bread, and my basket is so heavy. My arm hurts.
Yes, every time. You should take a cart.
I should, but I am stubborn. Okay, so we have a cart. Now what?
Now you look for the food. The store has long walkways.
Streets in the store?
Kind of. They're called aisles.
Aisles. Wait, how do you say that? Like, I will?
No, aisle. Like I and ul. Aisle.
Aisle. Okay, that is a weird word.
It is, and the spelling is very bad. A-I-S-L-E.
Wait, there is an S? Why is there an S?
English is crazy, Lucas. I do not know.
A-I-S-L-E. Aisle. Okay, so aisle 1, aisle 2.
Yes, they have numbers. Like pasta is in aisle 4.
So if I am lost, I can ask someone?
Exactly. You ask a worker. Excuse me, where is the pasta?
Excuse me, where is the pasta? That is easy.
Yes, very easy. And they will say aisle 4.
What if I want apples? Are apples in an aisle?
Not usually. Fresh food has a special place.
Oh, right, the green place. With the water spray? Psh.
Yes. Psh, the water spray on the vegetables.
I love that. It is like rain.
That place is called the produce section.
Produce? Like make something?
No, produce is a noun here. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
Wait, English is so annoying. Produce is an action, but also food?
I know. Just remember, produce section means fresh food.
Okay, produce section. Apples, bananas, carrots.
Exactly. Now let us talk about the cold food.
Oh, the really cold place. I always get freezing in there. Yeah, it's so cold. That's the dairy section. Dairy? Wait, what's dairy?
Dairy is like milk, cheese, yogurt, food from cows usually.
Ah, dairy. Got it. Milk and cheese. So yummy.
But wait, there's also the frozen section.
Frozen? Like ice?
Exactly. Ice cream, frozen pizza, things in big freezers.
My favorite section. Frozen pizza's the best.
It really is. Okay, now, how do we walk around the store? We walk in an aisle.
An aisle? Wait, how do you spell that?
A-I-S-L-E.
What? That's crazy. There's an S in there.
I know. English is so weird. We don't say the S, just aisle.
Aisle. Like, I'll go to the store?
Yes, sounds exactly the same. It means the long walk between shelves.
Okay, aisle. Like, the pasta's in aisle 4.
Perfect. Yes, you got it, Lucas.
See, I'm learning.
You are. Now, what do we push around to hold the food?
Oh, a car.
Close. Not a car, a cart.
C-A-R-T.
Cart, with a T, like a small car.
Yeah, a shopping cart. Or if you buy only 2 things, a basket.
Basket, like basketball.
Yes, exactly. You carry a basket in your hand.
Okay, I get it. Cart is big, basket is small.
Right. So you have your food. You're in aisle 3. Now what?
I eat it?
No, you have to pay.
Oh, right. Pay money.
You go to the front, to the checkout.